Greetings and welcome to the Introduction to Astronomy. In this episode of Multicultural Astronomy, we will explore the contributions of Parameshvara and how careful long-term observation helped improve the accuracy of astronomical prediction. So let's get started. By the 14th century, Indian astronomy had developed sophisticated mathematical methods for describing celestial motion. But accurate astronomy required more than calculation alone. It also depended on careful observation of the sky over long periods of time. One astronomer who emphasized this approach was Parameshvara, a scholar associated with the Kerala School of Astronomy. His work demonstrates the growing importance of combining mathematical theory with systematic observation. Parameshvara is especially known for recording observations of planetary motion, eclipses, and celestial positions over many decades. These long-term observations allowed astronomers to compare predictions with what was actually seen in the sky. This was extremely important. Astronomical models could now be tested against repeated observations. When predictions and observations did not fully agree, calculations could be refined and improved. Parameshvara built upon earlier mathematical traditions developed by astronomers such as Aryabhatta, Bhaskara I, and Bhaskara II. But he also worked to improve the accuracy of these systems through direct observation. This reflects an important stage in scientific development. Mathematics and observation working together to strengthen understanding of celestial motion. Parameshvara's work contributed to more accurate predictions of planetary positions, eclipses, and astronomical cycles. Careful observation allowed astronomers to determine whether calculations matched reality. Over time, this process improved the reliability of astronomical prediction. This approach reflects a core principle of science. Models must be continually compared with observation. Parameshvara is associated with the Kerala School of Astronomy and Mathematics, which became known for combining advanced mathematical techniques with careful observational methods. His work helped continue a long tradition of refining astronomy through both theory and evidence. So that concludes our discussion on Parameshvara and the role of observation in astronomy. We'll be back again next time for another episode of Multicultural Astronomy. So until then, have a great day, everyone. And I will see you in class.